5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Oh, I ain't even mean to do that. Oh, go back.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hey.
Okay, y'all, so today is an unboxing of some of my Amazon product that came. Not all of it, but some of it came.
Yeah.
And I ordered a ring light, so I'm really ready for my ring light to come on in, so I can start getting more done. Sorry, stop. Yeah, I'm really ready for my ring light to come on in. So I don't know what it is. I haven't let me see what time it is. UPS and I already ran, so I know I'm not getting anything else today. But Soraya, that's why I said it's us, because she won't let me record. Come on.
Y'all
It's
hit some
us.
scissors.
No, don't give it to her. Okay, it's us today. Put it down. Alright, now look, let's show them the boxes. Look, let's show them. These boxes are not open. They're not open. Okay, we are going to open these boxes. We're going to hold it, Russell. We're going to open this box, that box. See what's up in them. It's alright. Come on here. Come on. Alright, so let's put these back first.
We're gonna do the small one first. Yummy, I'm
Come on. Okay. There we go.
Okay,
There we go.
So we're gonna unbox these.
Okay. Let me do. No. Stop, Sarai. Keep your hands to yourself. Hands to yourself. But this is not my camera. You may have to do a wrist. Stop. Okay, so this is the only thing that was in the small box. My cream of nature. Look, hold it up so they can see it. But hold it up so they can see it. My cream of nature leave-in conditioner. I was out. I've been out for about a couple of weeks, so I needed some more for my hair, especially. So now, hold on. Hold. I'm trying to open it. Hold on. Yeah. So did you stop it, little girl? Yeah, right there. Boom. Look, say boom. Say boom. Boom. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what's in the box.
You want me to do the big one? Baby.
Turn this out and make sure it booyah. Now Rissa is opening up this box now. Let me see. Let's see. My phone case came.
Phone case for what?
My phone.
You got this. Oh,
I need a case. I need a case for my phone. My phone case came. Oh, alright. And guess what? My ring light came. My ring light came.
Oh.
My.
Y'all should have, right?
My ring light. My ring light came. Oh. Oh.
Put it back up and down.
My ring light came. My ring light came. Come on, let's dance with mama. It's a celebration. Come on. Come here. Hold my neck. Hold my neck. Come on. Let's dance. My ring light came. My ring light came. My ring light came.
You want me to put your phone case on your phone? You want me to put your phone case on your phone?
And my ring light came. My ring light came. My ring light came. Hold it up. Show them. Let's show them, boo. Say our ring light came. Hold on. And then say it again. Say our ring light came. Our ring light came. Okay. Now, should I do a video of
Opening your ring?
yeah, should I do an unboxing video of my ring light?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Hold on. Dance. Okay. Y'all heard Sarai? Sarai said dance, mama. Dance. Dance, Sarai. Come on. Come on. Stand up and dance. Put your pull-up down. Put your pull-up down. Put your pull-up down. Dance for him.
Dance, Raya.
Dance, Raya. Dance. Dance, Raya. We dancing for the ring light. Ring light.